Peardon's Garage, Diamond Drive-In, JJ's, located 110 Waukesha Road. Peardon's Garage. Michael Peardon bought his automotive business in 1934. He originally sold Wadham's gasoline, but by 1950 it sold Mobil with the sign of the Flying Red Horse. Diamond Drive-In. Don and Marie Jones built the Diamond Drive-In at the intersection of Highway 67 and 59 in 1961. The name came about because it was located at the foot of Diamond Hill, and the lot was diamond-shaped. Hamburgers sold for 5 to 25 cents, and baby mugs of root beer were free. In 1982, the Joneses bought more land and expanded the drive-in to a restaurant. They also changed the name to JJ's, which stood for Jones & Jones. The business was closed in 1997. It is currently the Hen House.